Living the van life is awesome and the freedom that you get from it is second to none. But what about cooking when you're on the road or when you're away from a fridge at someone's place? How can you make on the road something that looks as delicious as this? In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook food on the road, how to store food on the road, and how to make delicious breakfast every day, just like this one. In my van, let's have a look at what I've got here. For food storage, I've got the Esky, or the cooler, depending on what you want to call it. Inside, nothing too interesting at the moment, mostly just some beer. Yeah, but it can be useful. If you do want to have some cold drinks, all you have to do is go and get some ice, and then, of course, it's cold there. I've also got this that I store some food in. I find that using these little clips keeps things nice and secure. But yeah, basically I've just got all of my breakfast stuff here. Healthy chia seeds, got some almonds, nuts, seeds, all sorts of good things there. That lives in there. But here's the magic part. I've got a stove, and actually, if I just move that out of the way, it lives in this, which is really compact. And if I close it up, it's like a tiny little briefcase, and that fits in nicely beside my bed. So it takes up almost no space on the road. You can just try and close this up with one hand here. It takes up almost no space at all, and that's fantastic. I also have all of my barbecue and cooking equipment here. That's everything you need. Now, to use the stove, I do use some gas with that. I try to keep it separate. I don't leave the gas in the stove. I think it does represent a bit of a fire hazard, so it's not recommended to leave the gas in the stove when you're not using it. But it's super easy, and you can pick up one of these stoves for pretty cheap as well. So I'll try to link to something in the description of this video, so you can pick one up if you're interested in that as well. But what it means is that you can make a delicious breakfast just like this. Well, you can't actually see because there's so much fruit on top, but underneath there's some really nice porridge with seeds and nuts in there, and that's delicious. So now I get to enjoy this great, fresh, healthy breakfast right here beside the beach. And that's it. Finished cooking, ready to enjoy. So after I finished cooking, I basically just threw an entire full punnet of blueberries on top. I also chopped up a banana, put that on top, and a bunch of grapes on there as well. But up to you. You can put on any fruit, berries that you want, and have a delicious and healthy breakfast every single day. So we've got the van back here and a fantastic view. Sun's out, beautiful day, blue skies, living the van life with the healthy and delicious breakfast. If this is your first time here on the channel and you want to see more videos like this, learn how to live in a van, look after a van, subscribe. And if you thought this video was informative, if you learned something, if you liked it, do me a favor, press the thumbs up button. I appreciate that as well. Have a great day. See you next time.